Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to find and replace these outlines with to make them greater. But while the video is loading, I was just going to play around, go to find and replace. We're going to change the color. Replace color. Next. We don't want fills, we want outlines. Let's move this box. Well, no, it's fine. For some reason it's CMYK, go to RGB, take your eyedropper and hit black. Then go right here to replace color. I'm using somebody else's file evidently. We're going to replace it with red. And then we're going to hit finish. And we're going to replace them all. So in that quick, it changed all the black outlines to red. That's pretty cool. So you can do outlines, you can do fills. Let's just go ahead and do the fills. Find and replace, replace object, replace color, fills. The fine one, let's just use black. Replace with, don't change it, we'll change them to yellow. Hit finish, replace all. And in that quick, it changed all your blacks to yellow. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.